In this video, best electric sewing machine for home use.
Hi! In this video, we'll highlight some of our favorite products on the market today. Each product we feature has been independently selected and reviewed by our editorial team. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best electric sewing machine for home use.
Starting off our list, at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3.
Want to create high-end fashions, but at affordable prices? Then take a look at the Project Runway Limited Edition CS5055 PRW from Brother. You'll enjoy a range of creative options, from its many built-in stitches to a generous selection of included feet and accessories. It includes 50 built-in stitches, with stitches for quilting, decorative sewing, blind hems, and more. For even more creative options, use the included twin needle to stitch 2 parallel rows. And 5 styles of built-in one-step buttonholes are automatically sized to fit your buttons. Simply choose your stitches and settings with the push-button stitch controls and view your selections on the LCD display screen. Included are a zigzag, zipper, buttonhole, button sewing, blind stitch, overcasting, and a monogramming foot. That's a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to swap between feet. And the digital display tells you which foot to use. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded with the built-in auto needle threader, a huge time saver. The exclusive Brother Quick Set top load drop-in bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. No need to pull up the thread before use, and it's easy to see when you're low on thread. A horizontal spool pin, typically found only on more expensive machines, helps ensure more consistent feeding and is great for metallic and other specialty threads. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details, especially on darker fabrics. And there are thread cutters both on the bobbin and on the side. The exceptional feed system helps move the fabric smoothly for more precisely formed stitches. Listen to how quiet this machine is. Quilters love that this machine allows them to do free motion quilting, plus you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the versatile CS5055 PRW from Brother.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2, in the list.
This Singer sewing machine has 23 built-in stitches, including essential or basic stitches, decorative stitches, stretch stitches, as well as an automatic one-step buttonhole. Stretch stitches are especially useful for sewing today's knit fabrics. You can also combine stitches to embellish garments, crafts, and home decorating projects.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
best electric sewing machine for home use.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.